I used to struggle with English pronunciation too, until I understood this one thing. Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Swati. For a long time, I believed that improving pronunciation meant learning more rules and memorizing more words. But slowly I realized something important. Pronunciation improves when you listen carefully, copy sounds, and practice a little every day. Many people think perfect pronunciation means having a foreign accent. That is not true. What really matters is clear English that people can easily understand. Even now, I focus on clarity than on accent, and it makes speaking feel more comfortable. The first secret is listening more than speaking. Earlier, I tried to speak more, but I didn't notice how words actually sounded. When I started listening carefully, things began to change. For example, in English videos, you may hear people say, "I'm gonna call you later." The words flow together naturally. They are not spoken separately. The second secret is learning sounds, not spelling. I used to read words and pronounce every letter, and that's where many mistakes happen. Take the word comfortable. It's not comfortable. It's comfortable. Comfortable. Another common word is vegetable. It's not vegetable. It's vegetable. It's vegetable. When you focus on sounds instead of spelling, words start to feel natural. The third secret is stress and intonation. At first, I thought pronunciation is only about saying words correctly. Later, I noticed that stress can completely change meaning. For example, I didn't say you were wrong. Stress on you means not you. It means someone else. And I didn't say you were wrong. Stress on wrong means something else was wrong, not you. The fourth secret is mouth movement. Pronunciation is not only about listening. Your lips, tongue, and jaw also play an important role. Try saying very, world, world. You'll notice how your mouth moves differently. Practicing in front of a mirror helped me correct small mistakes naturally. And the final secret is daily practice. Long practice sessions are hard to continue, but short daily practice works better. Just 5 minutes a day. One word, one sentence. Let me show you how this works with simple example. And the word is pronunciation. Now I will use the same word in a simple sentence. I want to improve pronunciation. Mistakes are normal, improvement takes time, but it does happen with consistency. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to English with Swati and comment below. I will practice pronunciation daily. I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep smiling.